Hello, this is Tony Ray with 123creditconsultant.com, and I got a brand new video for y'all. This is actually my first video that I'm shooting about credit repair, and I just wanted to give you some insight and give you some tips on credit repair. I've been doing credit repair now for about 2 years, and here are some known facts that can help you fix your credit. You ready to go? Let me show you 3 right here. 3 things you can do to build your credit right now. Number 1 thing you can do to build your credit is to do automatic billing. Now what automatic billing will do is automatic billing will allow you to be able to not ever get behind on your credit cards. Once you have automatic billing set up with your credit cards, you won't forget. A lot of people forget when they try to get their credit fixed with credit repair. Before they even get to credit repair, they already make a mistake of being late on their credit cards. That's the reason they have to repair their credit. But you can avoid that by this simple step of automatic billing. Automatic billing will allow you to be able to, for instance, pay your bill on time, right? And how you pay your bill on time is you will basically set up automatic billing for 10 days before the bill is due. So that money will automatically come out of your account 10 days before your bill is due. And when your bill is due, you already have paid the money that's owed on your credit card. Now, the key to this is if you don't have the money in your bank account, by you paying the bill 10 days ahead of time, you can go ahead and say add the money to your bank account. You'll see that they tried to take the money out and you didn't have it. And you'll find out maybe 5 days before your bill is due. Maybe, just before your bill is due. But you'll have time to address it, because once you see that they tried to draft the money from your account 10 days before your bill was due, and you didn't have the money in your account, you can go to the bank and put the money on the account. Anything beats forgetting. Then you still have 9 days left, 5 days left, 3 days left. You have all that time to be able to make things right, to be able to pay your bill on time, so you don't have to worry about being late on your credit card bill. So do the automatic billing. I have a 2-year good payment history on my credit cards by doing automatic billing. Before I did automatic billing, I'd always, be late. For one reason or another, you forget to have the money on your card or have the money in the bank or whatever the case may be, and you're always late because you don't have automatic billing set up. That's the main key to having credit cards or actually paying any bill, is to set up automatic billing. Because if you're late, it's going to go on your credit history. If you're 30 days late, it's going to show up on your credit report, and that can be up to 6 years. And it's really hard to get that off, but it can be done. And then if you've been late for over 30 days, 60 days, that shows up on your credit bill. And then before you know it, things get worse and worse and worse to the point where you just give up. Now they've tacked on fees. They've charged you $35 because you were late within 30 days. Then they charged you $100 because you were late within 2 months. The next thing you know, your bill's going up and up and up, and you're mad because you got to go back and pay that money because you were late on paying your bill. So do automatic billing. Number 2, sign up with Credit Karma. And what signing up with Credit Karma will allow you to do, if you sign up with Credit Karma, you will be able to check on your credit to see everything that's on your credit. Now, they might only check TransUnion, and they might check Experian or whatever. Maybe they don't check Equifax or one of those. They don't show up on Credit Karma, the Equifax or Experian. Okay. But at the same time, you'll at least have a general idea of something that could be going on your credit, and you can address it at that time. You'll find out if your credit score has gone up. You'll find out if your credit score has gone down. And also, if you find out that information, whether your credit score has gone up or down, it gives you a chance to go out there and take care of it and find out what's wrong and take care of the problem. So definitely sign up with Credit Karma. And the biggest thing about it is it's free. And this is for the do-it-yourselfers. But if you need any help, you can also check out more of my YouTube videos. So go to 123creditconsultant.com, and I will help you to fix your credit. Step number 3 on how to build credit. Stay within the utilization rate of 30%. What is a utilization rate? A utilization rate is a rate that where they can see how much money you're spending versus how much money you have on the card. It'll show the credit, whoever your creditor, that whoever you're trying to apply credit for, it'll show them that you have a good credit limit and you're responsible by staying below that utilization rate. Because if you go above that utilization rate, that'll send them like a red flag. That'll make them think, hey, this guy's always taking the money out. Now you could take the money out, but call your credit card company and find out when they report it to the credit bureau. Because if they report it to the credit bureau that at a certain date and a certain time of the month, then you can put the money back on your account. You can use that money. I found that you can definitely use that money, but if you need to use that money, you want to put that money back up there. So let's say you have a $600 credit limit and you need to go get some work done to your car. You need a new a new alternator put in, a new starter. You need a new radiator, labor and parts. You got to take that $600 out and you got to go get some work done to your car. Great. But remember, put that money back on your card before it reports to the credit bureau. That way, it won't show up against you on your credit report. And there you have it. Just a short little video on how you can stay up on your credit and how to build credit. Go to 123creditconsultant.com. And also, I just showed you the 3 steps on how to build credit. Look out for more videos. My name's Tony Ray. Peace.